So we reached the end of section 13, and let's review what we've done in this pretty long section regarding pagination, filtering and sorting. So we've implemented that in our application and we've seen how to do it on both the API and the client. We also took a look at deferred execution. Now we've got a bigger understanding of how Entity Framework deals with making a database requests to our server, to our database server, whatever it may be, whether it's PostgreSQL, whether it's SQL Server, whether it's MySQL, we don't care. It doesn't affect how we write our code inside our application, because Entity Framework is going to translate those queries into our language that that database server can understand via the provider that we've used at the very start of this course. We've also taken a look at filtering, and when we're talking about filtering, what we're really talking about is where clauses, where something equals something or something is not equal to something else. And then we took a look at sorting and using the order by in Entity Framework. We also took a look at action filters. These are pretty cool and they give us an opportunity to do something before a request is, or before an action is executed, or after it's been executed. And we've seen how we can use that to update a property on our user object. And then we looked at adding a time ago pipe, and we spent a bunch of time re-implementing caching in our client for the paginated responses. Caching is a big deal because it gives the client the perception that things are happening very fast. So caching is a big deal. And we've seen how we can do that now in our client as well. Phew, quite a big one. And what we're going to take a look at next is adding another feature into our application. We want the users to be able to like each other, and that's what we're going to look at doing next.